Welcome grade 7 students. Today we'll talk about the polygons. At first, what the polygons mean? The polygons are a plane figure has 3 or more sides, like triangle has 3 sides. Okay? Quadrilateral, it has 4 sides. Like what quadrilateral? Right, like square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. Okay? And trapezium. Pentagon have 5 sides, hexagon have 6 sides, octagon 8 sides, decagon 10 sides, and there is 9 sides and called nonagon. Okay? The polygons, we have 2 types of polygons. First one is convex polygon. Convex polygon means what? Means if I have draw a straight line on any side of polygon, you will see that all of polygons on one side of this straight line, like this. This polygon is above the straight line. You don't have any part down. Okay? So this is called convex. Okay? The second type called concave. Concave, what's concave? If I draw straight line in a side of polygon, you will see that. Look, I will draw like this straight line. You will see what? The straight line divides the polygon. It's passed through it. So the polygon has part above the straight line and another part down the straight line. So it's called concave polygons. Okay? Now, to find sum of measure of all angles inside the polygon, like this, like triangle. If I have triangle, all we know the sum of measures of triangles, the sum of measure of angles of triangle equals 180. Okay? And square, we know square, it's 90, 90, 90, 90. So it's 360. What's the rule which give me this number? So the rule is that this n minus 2 times 180. So n is what? N is number of sides. In triangle I have 3 sides. So I will say 3 minus 2 times 180. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 times 180 equals 180. Let's see quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 times 180. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 times 180 is 360. Okay? Now you have this polygon, these polygons, and try to find sum of measure of interior angles or the angles inside the polygons. Okay? Number 1. He solved number 1. Quadrilateral has 4 sides, so 4 minus 2 times 180. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 times 180 equals 360. Okay. Pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. So it's 5 minus 2 times 180. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 3 times 180 equals 540. Okay? Hexagon. Hexagon, 6 sides. So 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 4 times 180 equals 720. Let's take heptagon. Heptagon has 7 sides. 7 minus 2 times 180. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 5 times 180 is 900. And octagon. Octagon, 6 times 180. Nonagon. Nonagon has 9 sides. 7 times 180 equals 1260. Decagon has 10 sides, so it will be 10 minus 2 equals 8 times 180. So we know that if the polygon has n sides, so n minus 2 times 180. Okay? In the opposite figure, A, B, C, D, E, F, this figure is hexagon. Okay? Hexagon means it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? He said that measure of angle FAB equals measure of angle DCB. So this angle and this angle are equals. Okay? Find the value of x. Find the measure of each one. Find measure of angle A and find the measure of angle C. Okay? He told me it's a hexagon. So I will find the sum of measure of interior angles. Since ABCDEF is a hexagon, then the sum of measure of interior angles of hexagon equals n minus 2 times 180. And here n equals 6. So it will be 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 4 times 180 equals 720. Now I find all of them, the summation of all angles. So let's add all of them. X plus 110 plus 165 plus 115 plus x plus 90, because B is right angle, equals what? Equals 720. Okay? Now let's add the numbers and the values and the variables. X plus x equals 2x, and 110 sorry, plus 165 plus 115 plus 90 equals 480. Okay? Now I have this equation. 2x plus 480 equals 720. Now I will subtract from both sides 480. So you will see 2x equals 240. To find x, I will divide each side by 2. So 240 divided by 2 equals 120. So x here equals 120 and x equals 120. Okay? Okay. In the opposite figure, BD intersect AF at C. Okay? AB parallel to AAD. AB parallel to ED. If you see parallel, search for alternate corresponding interior angles. Okay. Sorry. Measure of angle A equals 30. Angle A equals 30. And the angle C equals 58. Okay? And angle F is 125. Find the measure of angle E. I wanted to find angle E. At first, let's find the angle B. Okay? So I will work in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, measure of angle B equals what? Equals 180 minus 30 plus 58. It equals 92. Okay? We find B equals 92. and he told me that AB parallel to DE. So since AB parallel to DE, now I have two alternate angles. So then measure of angle B equal measure of angle D. Equals 92, and write alternate. Okay? Now measure of angle ACB equal measure of angle DCF. Why? Because they are vertical opposite angle VOA. Since measure of angle ACB equals 58, then measure of angle ACB equals measure of angle DCF equals 58 degree. Okay, so this is 92 and this is 58 because VOA vertical opposite angle. Okay, now I can find measure of angle E because I have D and C and F, and this figure is quadrilateral, so I will erase this. Since DCFE is a quadrilateral. Okay, then sum of measure of its interior angles equals what? Equals n minus 2 times 180. Okay, n is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 180 equals 360 degree. So let's add all angles. Then x sorry plus 125 plus 58 plus 92 equals what? Equals 360. Now let's find summation of these numbers. 58 plus 92 is 150. 150 plus 125 is 275. So x plus 275 equals 360. Now subtract 270 from both sides. So you will get x equals 360 minus 275 equals what? Equals 58. It's 85. Okay? Thank you for watching and goodbye.